Hello guys, I am IK and you are watching my channel Encapsulated by IK. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get an updated notifications. Please do like and comment so that we can receive your feedback. So today we are unboxing another G-Shock. The model of this G-Shock is GA-100-1A2DR. Inside the box, we have a user guide with module number 5081. It comes in multi languages. A G-Shock International Warranty Regulations book and a Casio-GShock International Warranty card. It's one of the popular G-Shock which comes in 3 dial phase. You can see the ring, the dial ring. The dial ring is electric blue color. It also comes in black and red. This watch is designed and engineered to deliver an outstanding G-Shock resistance and water resistance. Not only that, an anti-magnetism as well. A very beautiful model with matte black color. It has a bezel material, resin band, a shock resistant mineral glass, again 200 meter water resist, an LED light, as you can see, an analog dial in the center with digital dials on either side. One of the dial will give you hour and minutes, while the other will give you the day and second. On pressing this button, you will get the date and day and time as well, along with the calendar month and the calendar date. A world time of 29 time zones. Again, this stopwatch is 1/1000. A fully auto calendar. The accuracy of this watch is plus minus 15 seconds per month. Approximate battery life is 2 years, and the case of the dial is 55 mm. The total weight is 70 grams. So a very beautiful and tough watch in matte black color. From the back of the metal case, you can see the model number GA-100, a stainless steel back, and this watch is made in Japan. Very rigid buttons. Let's have a closer look. very beautiful watch. The price range of this watch is around 150 US dollars. G-Shock. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.